Hey y'all, I'm Elise. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing a nothing over $15 makeup tutorial. So this look is very affordable. Anyone can do it. It's super easy and the whole thing costs less than what would you usually pay if you had used a bunch of high-end makeup. So it's perfect if you don't have the budget for a certain something right now. I'm sure you could find some possible dupes. And this is just to show you that it is possible to get a beat face on a budget. We are some budget broads in here. So if you like the look, you guys should keep watching. You might see some new products you want to try. And also make sure to like and subscribe. So keep watching to see how I created this look. First, we are going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've used this on my channel before. Just gonna take a little bit of that. e.l.f. is a very affordable brand and their products are good, so don't sleep on e.l.f. And then after that, we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution foundation in the shade F13. I got this because it was on sale, and I think I'm gonna really like it because it's full coverage. Apparently it's very smoothing, so I'm going to just put this all over. The shade I think looks good, so I'm just going to blend this in. Okay, now we're going to go in with the Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Nutmeg. I mean, look at that coverage. A little bit of this goes a long way. I don't know why I added so much. Okay, and then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Banana Rich powder. So this is also a really good affordable banana powder if you're in the market for one. I also like the regular banana one. This one's just the Banana Rich. So if you have a deeper skin tone, this would be really good for you. And if not, you can stick with the regular banana shade. Now switching gears to eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Juvia's Place palette. This is called the Mauves by Juvia. So it's really pretty. We're gonna do something dark today, something dark and deep, you know the vibes. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade first into the crease. Yeah, it's like a mauve pink. It's giving me the right vibe. I'm going to go in and put this shade all over the lid. So we're going a little dark, a little, you know, plummy, vampy. Ooh, that's cute. Gonna blend these two colors together. I'm gonna take this NYX black retractable eyeliner and just smudge that on the top of my lash line. Back in with this and kind of just smudge that out. I'm going to set the rest of my face with this airspun Coty loose powder, and I hope this doesn't dry out my eyes too much, but I just need to brighten it up. Okay, while that sits for a second, we're going to bronze the skin. This is the shade Medium from Makeup Revolution again, and this is their Glow Bronzer. Now I'm gonna wipe off this setting powder. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Marvelous 003. This blush is so pretty. I think it's about to be my new staple blush. The only thing about this Sephora concealer, it's so much coverage. Probably one of my most coverage ones, but it creases like nobody's business. I'm gonna take that liner and go ahead and put it under my eye as well. This L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, any mascara will do. So these lashes I got from Beauty Bay. They're unicorn lashes in the style Twink. This is the NYX Espresso Lip Liner. Then we are going to put on the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Bit of Honey. It's just a rosy gloss. For highlighter, we are going to use the Juvias Place Nefertiti highlighter. Oh! I got it all over my finger. And it's a loose highlighter. Oh, and it's on my pants. Oh my gosh. On my phone, it's everywhere. Child, anyways, so... to put a little pop on the inner corner, I think I'm gonna use this shade, the little sparkly shade they have in there. Let's see what's given. You know, it might be cute, it might not. We're gonna see. There is highlighter everywhere. That's cute. It's so small, but it's there. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw that you too can get your products for cheap and still get a beat face. So if you guys saw something you like, comment below if you want to go get it. And also like this video and subscribe to see other videos that are coming to a channel near you. Please keep watching all my videos. Please keep supporting me. I'm super appreciative of it. And so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.